In this video, we will learn how to create a Facebook Ad Manager account. If you want to create your Facebook personal ad account, first you have to log in your Facebook account. Scroll down, you can see in the left side to create your personal ad account and set up your ad manager. Click to Ad Manager. Click here. Now Facebook asks to allow Facebook non-discrimination policy. Just read this policy and accept the policy. If you don't know what is discrimination policy, you just read this policy. So I just accept this policy. Now create to reach the right people with ad manager. We create your ad manager account. Just click the get start option, create your ad manager account, click here. Now Facebook asks why you run ad, so we create ad for our professional service. Facebook asks to create a Facebook page. In this Facebook account, I have a no page, so Facebook asks to create a new page. If you have a already new page, I think Facebook not ask to create a page. So I just create my page name, category, and upload the photo. Now click create a page option, click here. Now Facebook asks connect our Facebook page with Instagram account. I'm not interested now. I do it later, so I just keep option. Now Facebook. Now we add our payment method. That's very important. First, you have to choose your own country, choose your own currency, and choose your own time zone. That's very important to manage your Facebook ad account. So I chose dollar. I think that's better for me. And click the next option here. Now we add our bank card information. In the top up, you can see business and tax info. Click here. If you have a business identification number, BIN number, or tax identification number, you can add here. So I have a no tax ID, so I just keep this option. Now add your name, card number, expired date, and save this option. So I have already many ad account, so I add the payment info later. So I just card this option. I add the payment info later. So I just back option and I card this option. Now select click the not now. I add the payment method later. Now we can choose what is your goal, why you run your ad. So there is a many option. You can see lead, message campaign, traffic campaign. Just choose any goal. Just choose any goal and click to next option. Now create a campaign option. Click here. Now our ad account is loading. Our ad manager is set up. You can see our personal ad account already created. So this is our ad manager and this is our ad account. This click here, you can see account overview. You can run campaign from here. This is ad reporting option and this is ad account setting and this is billing and payment system. First we click the ad account setting. There are many important settings you can see. Click here. You can choose your industry here. I chose professional service. You can choose your own services like e-commerce, marketing agency. This is ad account control here. This is payment, business payment info. You can add your business payment info later here. You can also deactivate your ad account from here. If you want to give access someone to manage your ad, you can add the role people here, add people here. Click to page option. Here you can see if your ad account has many pages, you can see in this option here. This click payment setting. Just our payment setting loading. If you want to add your payment method later, you can add your payment method later from here. You can see there is the option add payment method. You can anytime add your payment method from here. And in this option you can see business info. Here you can see there's business info, address, currency, and tax ID. You can edit option here. And this is click here payment activity. Click here. Here you can see your payment activity, your monthly billing option here, daily billing, monthly billing, and your previous old history. You can see here your add payment method activity here, and you can see there is WhatsApp business account. You can add your business WhatsApp business number also here. Now click the campaign option. Click here and you can run your campaign from here. Just loading your ad manager account. You can see there is option you can run your ad campaign from here. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. I have a Facebook marketing course. I give my course link in this video description. This course is free. I have a many video about Facebook marketing in my YouTube channel. I have also many video about digital marketing services, webinar services. So please subscribe my channel. Get more video about digital marketing, Facebook marketing, Google Ads, any other digital marketing service related.